Excuse me, sir. Go back to room reborn. I think this is gonna be my favorite part. This is just badass. Amazing. I love it. Holy fuck. Crit headlock.
Change stratagem.
Nice shields, look at that. Still a little bit left.
Oh fuck, I didn't. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to look at some else on Savage. Calling it.
Then you have to go left or right to the actual corner.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be the same thing.
Damn, Teal, those shields. The other scholar I had was like, crap. They were crap!
Laugh me.
Me!
She already does, don't worry. Long time ago.
Bye bye. I saw that happen. I was like, maybe they arm's length it. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to look at the face. You can see the two balls on the other side, in the middle. Dippers.
Get out that plate. Get out that plate.
He's too busy and he's too busy and
There we go, okay. We're Gucci. We're fine, everything's okay. Maybe. Notice how all these
I have
spots
switched
are
in.
uptime, though? Did you
2
notice
seconds. Okay, getting.
I got it.
Oh. Ree!
Got it.
Ree! We both did it. I wish they would cancel the second raise. They really should do that.
That would be an amazing ride.
They would. Right?
Yeah.
Sayo.
Okay.
Change strategy.
Away from the middle.
Yeah, it's either gonna be two groups or it's gonna be... Yeah, see, this is too much shit going on. I was gonna say we're everyone on the same side, even, but...
Ah!
Me?
Bullshit! That's bullshit!
I'll get the tank. He comes back. Got the
So I
tank.
dashed and it brings me towards the middle of the hitbox? What? I used my dash to get back to it. And instead of bringing me to just like forward, it brings me to the middle where there's no other
Alright, so where's in the monk?
But you know what? I'm glad I learned that now. Because that's definitely going to be a thing of Savage. And that would be way more best than Savage about it.
We're actually killing these things very fast. My street cash is already ready in 30 seconds.
Mine 15.
Middle.
5 seconds.
I'm back, bullshit.
Raising. Look, we all have buffs and debuffs. It's crazy. Yeah, I thought that was me too. Oh, on the stack marker, it shows it. See, on the stack marker, that person, dancer was the thingy, and then these people get the... So we're gonna, like, have to pre-plan these things, I bet. Because you have to look at your markers. Crazy. Like, if you know, like, that red mage should always be in the corner, probably. Type of thing. Oh.
Goes through short cast.
Both of ours.
I am, slow raising Gildas. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay, now I'm slow raising him. 10 on Swift. Nope, I can't do it. Fuck.
My street cash is already ready.
Mine's in 2 seconds. I'll get Gildas though.
Okay, I'll get you.
Okay. Got him. Healing the dancer. Oh, shit. Whatever.
No! Why is it on me?
Cause you're OP.
No!
I'm trying to heal you. I'll Benny him. Benny. Wings up. I'll slow raise. Oh shit, maybe not. Unless I'm in a safe spot, but I'm probably not. Nope.
Leg. Right side.
I'm actually okay, I'm raising. Good.
Probably gonna do off each savage though.
Oh, yeah. Oh, definitely.
Chain strategy.
Right side.
Forgetting that's what tidal wave is. I'm like waiting for some like big AoE to go off. I'm like, oh, yeah. Whatever, it's dead. Whee! Hey! Greedies!
Aww.
Yeah. Into it, yeah.
I love that fucking fight.
I do wish that broke the savage.
I swear that's gonna be my favorite. I'm calling it.
Me? I bet Titan is gonna be everybody's. We're probably gonna be like. Now, here's the question: do you think Titan is the door boss to another boss? You know how usually they show you only the first thing.
They're not gonna do door bosses anymore.
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
But he could transform.
He could transform to a bigger OP Titan.
He could. I mean, that's still a possibility, but he has HP. He could be like Brute Justice without the first part.
Yeah.
Or Alexander.
Yeah.
Alexander. You know, Alexander grew the wings.
Hey, it depends.
People are thinking that we might be doing Savage the opposite way because of the long range though.
Mm-mm.